Facing problems in life. We all have times when the road ahead looks blocked. Let Lord Ganpati's wisdom guide you. Life is full of challenges. These problems can seem too big. Who do we turn to for help? We turn to Lord Ganpati. He is Vignahata, the remover of obstacles. He clears the way for us to move forward. Lord Ganpati is a symbol of hope and strength. Pause ones. Have you ever wondered why Lord Ganpati is depicted in such a unique form? Every element of his appearance has deep symbolic meaning. His elephant head represents wisdom and the power to remove obstacles. His large ears symbolize the importance of listening. Each aspect of Lord Ganpati's form serves as a lesson, guiding us to live a life full of wisdom and strength. Lord Ganpati is easily known by his special features. He has the head of an elephant, which shows great wisdom and understanding. Pause threes. The elephant head symbolizes wisdom, patience, and strength. Pause twos. It teaches us to embrace imperfections and think big. Let's think about a common problem. Fear of failure. This fear can stop us. It stops us from chasing our dreams. Ganpati's wisdom shows a way out. Ganpati teaches us patience. He reminds us that success takes time. He tells us to learn from our mistakes. His example teaches us to keep trying. We must remember Ganpati's determination. He faced many problems. He never gave up. His story inspires us to keep going. We can overcome our fears. With Ganpati's wisdom, we find strength. We conquer fear and embrace success. Pause threes. Now, let's delve deeper into the power of patience. Ganpati's wisdom isn't just about overcoming fear. It's also about finding strength through patience. In our fast-paced world, we often seek quick results, but true strength lies in waiting, in learning, and in growing. Ganpati teaches us that patience is not passive. It's an active state of perseverance. Trust the process, and believe things will unfold in their own time. Embrace patience, build resilience, and become stronger. With Ganpati's guidance, you will find the strength to achieve your dreams. Peace. Parce que ça le sait. Section 4. Learning from a real-life story. Think about Malathi Holla's story. She was an Indian athlete. She got polio when she was a child. This made her legs paralyzed. But Malathi had a dream. She wanted to be an athlete. Inspired by Lord Ganpati, she kept going. She faced many challenges. Malathi's story is inspiring. She shows Ganpati's spirit. She won many awards. She became a Paralympic champion. She got the Arjuna Award. Malathi is an inspiration to all of us. Section 5. Embrace Ganpati's spirit today. Ganpati, the remover of obstacles, is a symbol of wisdom, strength, and perseverance. His spirit can guide us through life's challenges. How can we embrace Ganpati's spirit in our daily lives? It starts with a small step, a simple act of faith and reflection. Start with a small step. Light a candle, say a prayer, or just take a moment to reflect. Think of a challenge you are facing. Think of Ganpati. Meditate on his image and let his presence fill you with courage. Remember his wisdom, strength, and perseverance. These qualities are within you too. Visualize him removing the obstacles in your path. Believe in yourself. Feel his strength empowering you. You have the potential to overcome any challenge. Trust in Ganpati and trust in yourself. Just like Lord Ganpati helps us clear the path of obstacles, you too have the power within you. Embrace it. Overcome any challenge life throws your way. With Ganpati's spirit, nothing is insurmountable. What challenges are you facing? Reflect on them and let Ganpati guide you. Share your experiences in the comments below. Let's inspire each other. Your story could be the light someone else needs. Subscribe for more inspiring stories and guidance. Together, we can embrace Ganpati's spirit and overcome any obstacle.